Well, divas, we gotta clean this freaking apartment. You know, there comes a time in every woman's life where she must come to grips with her slovenly behavior and really get up and take charge of her life. It happens to me about every 4 to 6 weeks. And so today, I have decided I'm gonna deep clean my entire apartment. Yes, I am. Yeah. And I'm not gonna give up halfway through. And I'm not gonna stand there and watch the OC. And I'm not gonna mess it up again right away. I'm turning over a new leaf. I'm a clean person now. I'm gonna show you what we're dealing with. And it's just a 1-bedroom apartment. It's like 450 square feet, pretty small. So it shouldn't take me all day, but I know that it's going to, which is fine. It's 11:06 a.m. It's a Saturday morning, Sunday morning. See, I'm screwed. And it's raining, so I am going to really lock in. Yeah, I made a list. Clean the pet bowls, dust all surfaces, sweep the floors.
Vacuum the carpet, vacuum the couch, vacuum the bench, flush the clothes, declutter the table, spray down the table, clean out coffee tables, clean out mirrors, clean out the desk, scrub the toilet, wipe down the toilet seat, clean the outside of the toilet, bedroom, declutter on top of the dressers, dust the dressers.
And you know, emerge anew. I have 4 cats. Yes, that's right. Goobus, Pee-wee, Tootie, and Chuck. They shed because they're cats. Regular, not fancy. So I'm gonna give you a little tour and you can kind of see what we're working with. And then we're just gonna get started. So this is the living room. Some people would say this is messy. Some people would say this is clean. I would say this somewhere between. We got some things we need to take care of. Hi. Like for example, you know, he's shedding all over the freaking place. And this is just not the way I want it to look. We got laundry there. There's like cat hair. There's another cat. Hi. We got some cardboard boxes. This is the fancy litter box. They didn't sponsor me, so I'm hesitant to put you guys on. Just kidding. It's the Pet Snowy. I love it. It's expensive, but I have it on like Klarna or something, and 100% worth it. I love it. Guys, I don't know why I'm incapable of keeping the surface of a dresser clean. That's on the floor for some reason. Bed, another cat, Chuck.
Chucky.
Good morning. We got like stained sheets and stuff like that. Another surface that has really seen better days. Little messy desk area. This is the kitchen. There's like I need to clean up the cat bowls. We got dishes in the sink. I burned some like some egg onto the stove last night, which was really cool. I think I'm gonna start with the living room, just because that's the biggest dopamine hit, because it's the largest percentage of space in the house. So we're gonna get started with that. And maybe you can join me. I'm gonna pretend like this is about to be really fun. Hold on 1 second. Yay, let's go, guys. Okay, now here's the fun part. I always enjoy doing this. Okay, one room is done. Not bad. The cat toy section is just gonna be ugly always. That's just real life. This is a little cradle that I got for Gus. He's not in it right now, Goobus. A lot of people have asked me about this little cat cradle. It's from Chewy. I have it linked in my shop. I know they sold out of it, but hopefully they restock it soon so you guys can get it if you're interested. Right, Goobus? Okay. I like can't freaking think straight because I'm so hot. Is it the right color lighting in here? Not really. Nope. It has been so annoying in New York lately. It was like 70 degrees in the middle of the day yesterday, and then it dropped down to like 30 degrees overnight, which meant that the radiators all came back on in the apartment. Now it's really humid and raining, and I think it's like 55 degrees, but we all have to pay for it. Cleaning just makes me really hot. It is 12:36, which means that took us about, well, exactly an hour and a half to do the living room. That's fine, it's the biggest room, I'm okay with that. We still have to do this area, the entire kitchen, you can't see, but we still got some dishes there, the bathroom and the bedroom. I haven't eaten yet today, which is kind of crazy. So I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna charge my camera and then we'll get started on the breakfast nook. Well, friends, unfortunately I did what I always do. I got distracted and looked at Indie Sleeve's pictures on my phone for 2 hours and I was charging my camera, but I so thoughtfully forgot to turn the camera off, so it didn't charge at all. It is now 2:12. We're gonna clean this area. Then we gotta do the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom. I'm not trying to be doing this after 5 p.m. God forbid. Okay, ready, break. Say hello to the camera.
Hey.
Oh my god, you actually look really good. Not like actually, but I mean like the quality is good.
Okay, should I sing?
Yeah, go for it. Right.
But it's about three best friends all trying to like make it as like writers and like.
No, I actually like that we're talking about this because it is, I think, like relevant. Gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen. Okay, this is freaking ugly. Don't look at my protein and my Metamucil. But like, if you don't count If you don't count these dishes that I still gotta put away that I just washed, it's looking pretty good. It looks like an old person lives here, but it's looking pretty good overall. Ugh. Okay, I'm taking another break because, little secret, I threw all of the clutter from the rooms that I was cleaning into the bedroom so that I could clean them. I didn't want to spend the first like 3 hours just putting things away. I wanted to go room by room, but now I am left to face the consequences of my actions. And those look like a bunch of crap on my bed, my dresser. I'm gonna drink this protein shake. It's the organic protein. This one's the 50 superfoods. This is pea protein, along with, has some other stuff in it. Organic ancient grains, greens and grasses, sprouts, berries, fruits, B and C vitamins, veggies and herbs. And so it also has fiber in it. So I just drink that every day. 2 scoops of that every day with almond milk. This is not an ad or anything. It's just something that I do because I'm a vegetarian, along with my iron supplements. So bottoms up. So this is what the bedroom looks like now. It's giving Hoarders Buried Alive. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take, but I'm gonna try and make it my mission to get this tidied in about 30 minutes, and then I'll feed the cats. I promised. This is truly the thing I hate most about cleaning, is that every time you start to organize something, another area that needs to be organized reveals itself. So I don't know, I'm just gonna see what of this that I can fit into this cart, put it back from whence it came, and that is the only expectation that I can have for myself. These are my collaging materials. I don't even know what to do with them. There's so many magazines here. I do have like a bin under the bed, so maybe that is where they will go. morning. The only things left now to do are the laundry. I'm gonna take out the recycling and put some stuff down in the building's basement because I just want to kind of put it in storage. I'm gonna feed the cats as promised. Honestly, you know what? I've been trying to eat healthy because my wedding is coming up. My bridal shower is in a month. So I wasn't gonna order something unhealthy, but I'm really feeling like I deserve eggplant parmesan since it is currently 6:53 p.m., which means that it took basically 8 hours to clean my house today. I don't know how that happened, but we did it all, y'all. We did it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give me a little subscribe. I can make more clean with me. I can make more do stuff with me videos. Pee-wee, I'm doing the outro. In the meantime, I love you, you're beautiful, and never forget that everyone is a princess and you can always get your life together. Shout out Paris Hilton. Bye.